Hey guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys special things you never think they really exist on Google. So guys, if today is your first time of watching my video, please just subscribe, turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to watch. Thank you guys. So let's go. Today I'm going to show you things on Google you've never known or you've never thought these things exist. So firstly, here we'll go to our Google. I know this thing is going to be a surprise to most of you guys because you never think this kind of things exist in Google. So firstly, we'll go search like this. Let me show you this thing. So you never know this thing exists on Google. Just take a look. List. We search for Holi, a word Holi. We search for it. Then you see, okay. Okay, first of all, let me tell you the meaning of this word. This word Holi is a word used in India. It's an Indian word which is called Holi. So this Holi is used for is a form of festive word. You understand? So let me tell you the real meaning of this Holi. Holi. The festival of Holi is a 2 days festival. The festival of Holi signifies the victory of good. It marks the arrival of spring and the end of winter. It also celebrates the beginning of a good spring harvest season. The Holi celebration starts in the evening of Punima. So right now, I'm going to show you this trick you've never known. These are the tricks I really want to show you on this Google that you never know they exist. So take a look at this angle. You see those pyramidal, you see those things. So that's where I want to show you something right now. That's where I want to show you something right now. So if you take a click of it, you're going to see some splash. Anything I touch here is going to bring out color. It's going to bring out color. You see the color? You see the splashes? You see the splashes? You see the splashes? So many of you guys never knew this thing exists on Google. If this is your first time of seeing this thing, please just like my video, comment, all those kind of stuff. So please guys, I'm really want to show you this video because of so many things many people never knew they exist on Google. So right now I'm going to show you, like, after clicking all this color and all of this. So if you want to wipe it, let me teach you the logic here. Let me just go to wipe because I want to wipe it right now. You see this water cycle here? You see this water cycle here? I'm going to click that. Okay, you see? I've clicked it. As soon as I click it, you see everything will just disappear. You see? You see the way it wiped off? Yeah. So these are things you've never known on Google. So today I'm showing you. If you really like this video, please comment, like, please share this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the notification button in case I drop any video. You will be the first to see this video. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.